Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I will explain you about how to install the updraft plus backup plugin, how to take the backup, and how you will store the backup file in Google Drive. I have started my Apache web server and MySQL services. This is the dashboard of WordPress, and I'm going to run this localhost and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just I want to view my website. Okay, if this is in my website is in running condition. Okay, now I want to install plugin, backup plugin. I will go to plugin. These are the plugins that already installed on my WordPress. Now I'm going to add new. Here I will write backup, and which plugin? There are a lot of plugins are there, but I'm using this plugin, updraft WordPress backup and migration plugin. You can click on install now. It will take few seconds or maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, now it's installed and I want to make it activate. Now this plugin has been activated, and this plugin also displayed in the list of plugins. Okay, now right now these are my plugin. How many plugins are there? There are 3 plugins available in my WordPress site. You can click on plugin, and now you can see updraft plus backup and restore plugin is available here. This plugin is available. Okay, now I will click on this settings. This is the settings. Now this tab is there, backup and restore. By default first tab is selected, and this tab is used to get the backup. Okay, when you will click on backup now, it will give you a backup. Okay, you can click on backup now, and what backup, which type of backup it will created. Include your database in the backup, include your files in the backup. Click on backup now. Show log. If you want to see the log, these are the files that are creating for backup. Uploading files to remote location, creating database backup, creating database backup of tables, WP terms. The backup has finished running. The backup has finished running, it means it's completed. If you want to download the backup, then you can download, and it's my recommendation you must take a backup before starting of any change, any modification in your website. You must take a backup. Okay, how you will take a backup? Just you can click on backup now button, and after this you can click one by one all the tabs to download the backup into your local hard drive. Okay, I have clicked on database. Now they're telling me download DB. This is download DB. Download DB. You can click on this button. Download to your computer. Okay, this file is ready. Now click on plugin. Click on this button, plugin button. Download to your computer. Okay, next click on themes. Now themes downloading is ready. Click to download to your computer. Now click on uploads. Download to your computer. Now click on others. Download to your computer. All the 5 files have been kept in my download folder. I will go to download folders. These 5 files are there. One is backup. Backup for this is others. This is uploads. This is themes. This is plugin. This is DP. 5 files are there with me that you can store in your hard disk. Later on, you can restore this. Okay. If you want to restore, just you can click on restore button. Now you can click on settings. Here you can take the backup. Files, backup, schedule, manual, or you can do weekly. For example, weekly. Database backup schedule, you can set as weekly. You can set any one of them. Maybe you can take every hour, every 2 hours, every 4 hours, every 12 hours. Okay, depends on the nature of your backup. Okay, normally we are going to set weekly. Okay, for example, I am setting weekly. How many copies you want to keep it? 5 copies. Okay, file backup schedule 5, it will keep 5 copies. Okay, and within 1 week, and on the next week when it will get the 6th copy, then it will remove the first copy, so on. Database backup schedule, you need suppose 3 database backup files, 3. Okay, and then choose your remote storage where you want to save the data. Okay, while they are keeping the data, in which place you want to save the data. Suppose I'm going to save on Google Drive. Okay, I will click on Google Drive. After this, they will ask you Google Drive folder. If you have a folder, you can write the folder. Otherwise, they will create automatically folder with the name of updraft plus folder. Okay, and after this, they will ask you authentication with Google. You have to sign in with Google. You can write your password. Updraft plus wants to access your Google account. Okay, you can access, you can allow. To complete setup for Google Drive, press the button below. Okay, click on complete setup. These are the important settings that you can do with the backup plugin. If you have any questions, please write in comments. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.